Yo YouTube fam, what's going on? Jeff Fallout here, back at it again with another video. And for today's video, we got a tutorial on how to get curly hair like mine. This is probably like the #1 question I get like every single day. Everyone's been asking me, so I decided to do a tutorial for you guys. So by the end of the video, your hair should be looking somewhat like this. Hopefully, if this is the look that you're going after, then you should, because it's fire. Yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so this video is going to be quick and sweet. First thing you're going to need is a wide tooth comb like this, or some kind of comb, because you're going to need to detangle your hair. Next up, you're going to want some shampoo or shampoo and conditioner combo like this one. This is what I use right now, the Head and Shoulders. You know, that's what we're rocking with. You're going to also need a conditioner of some kind like this one. Spray bottle also. Then you're going to need some gel, olive oil equal styler. And then you're going to need some leave-in conditioner. We got Cantu over here. So the first step is going to be that you're going to want to wet your hair, like thoroughly wet it, get it all wet, make sure that no parts of it are dry, you know, while you're in the shower. Me, I'm in the bathroom, so it's going to be kind of weird, but we're going to see. And then you're going to want shampoo, and as you're shampooing, try to like detangle your hair with your fingers. Alright guys, so here's my hair wet with all the shampoo. So when I said you're going to want to like finger detangle your hair, you're just going to want to run your hands through it like so, and then just detangle like the knots at the ends. And you're just going to continue doing that like all around your hair and so on and so on. Just like the hand detangling the knots. And after that, you're going to want to shake your hair. That's like a really important step. It just helps with like separating the different strands of hair, making them more like individual strands as opposed to like big clumps of hair. So you're just gonna shake it like this. As you can see my hair moving around, and it's like already starting to separate. Major key, shake your head until you get the strands and the curls popping. So after that, your hair should look more or less like this. As you can see, it's more defined. We're gonna rinse out the shampoo and add the conditioner, and this is when we're gonna use our comb to like go through our hair and then like detangle it even more, just to get all the old like dead hair out and all that good stuff. Alright guys, so my hair is washed. As you guys can see, I put in the conditioner. So the next step is gonna be like just detangle it with your wide tooth comb. So this is how I usually do it. That's like grab a clump of hair and just like comb through it to get those knots out at the end. And I'll just like go throughout like all my hair doing the same thing. I'm sure somebody in the comments is gonna be like hating on my technique, but you know, this is how I do it. This is what works for me. You feel me? Alright guys, just finished detangling my hair, and you guys can't see this, but there's hair like everywhere in here. So I definitely recommend that you do this in like the shower, cause yeah, unless you want to be cleaning up at the end. And the next step is going to be to rinse out the conditioner in your hair, and yeah, then we're going to be putting on our, what's it called, leave-in conditioner from Cantu. Alright, so just rinse out the conditioner from my hair, curls are starting to look good. Make sure you give your hair that good shake. Like so. Shake. You know, doesn't matter if you look stupid, your hair's gonna be fire. Boom. Next up, we're gonna be putting the Cantu in our hair. Also, make sure not to like dry your hair with a towel, leave it wet. Just try to shake out as much water as you can, but the goal is gonna be to leave it wet. You're gonna wanna take this amount of Cantu. I actually take this much. Depends on your hair, really. I have a lot of hair, so that's usually what I do. Move it around in your hands, and then just like work it into your hair. Once you have it worked into your hair, I like to like just pull out my hair like this with my hands. Just making sure I go all over, making sure that my hair is like all up and even and nothing is flat. And then the last thing I'll do is I'll grab my Eco Styler. Just use like a small amount, not too much. Probably like this much. And then I'll apply that to my wet hair. just so it like holds the curl pattern in like once it dries. And then just like separating the strands a little bit more. And then the last thing I do is gonna be using my spray bottle. I like to fill it up with like a little bit of olive oil, like a bottle cap's amount worth of olive oil, and then like water up to here. Shake it, and then you just spray it a few times across your hair. And that's pretty much it. Oh, I lied. Last step, the shake. Yes, that was the last step. And now we just let it air dry, and then I'll show you guys the finished product in a bit. Hey, look at that hair though. Fire. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's how you get curly hair if you have like super peasy, nappy hair like I used to have, and yeah. So a few like disclaimers, you gotta have like kind of, well, longer I guess hair. Like my hair is actually pretty long. Don't let the shrinkage fool you, but yeah. It helps if you have longer hair, like people with shorter hair. I guess it could work kinda if you have like a medium to like longer hair, but it really depends. I haven't tried it on like shorter hair, so I can't really say. Also, you're gonna wanna try and keep your hair on the damper side, like so a little spray bottle. Every so often, like try to spray it when I'm home, but sometimes when I'm out, I just like go to the bathroom, get my hands wet, and just like run my wet hands through my hair. And you know, just try to keep it moist, because that helps with like keeping your hair curly and like keeping it from drying out. Another thing, usually I don't really detangle my hair like that often. Like now I try to do it like once every month or so often, or like whenever I wash my hair, I'll like finger detangle it like I showed you guys in the video. But before that, I was never like detangling my hair, and like it got super like knotted up. So you know, try to detangle your hair like at least once every month, you know, just to keep your hair looking good and all that stuff. But what else? Yeah, I guess that's it, guys. Definitely subscribe if you found this video helpful. You know, you can also share this knowledge with all your friends and family members and, you know, other people. But yeah, definitely subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. And give this video a thumbs up, a like, you know, hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Yeah, peace.